Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Aeroclassics Continental Airlines DC-9-32. This model is produced by Aeroclassics in 2023 with the aircraft sporting the 1980s era black Meatball livery. The aircraft is powered by two XA-TNT low bypass turbofans, producing up to about 15,500 pounds force or 69 kilonewtons combined. Each aircraft can hold up to a maximum of 115 passengers in a single-class configuration. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 484 knots or 897 kilometers an hour with a range of 1,500 nautical miles or 2,800 kilometers. This DC-9-32 was originally delivered to Texas International Airlines in June of 1979. The aircraft initially sported a Texas flag-based livery in flag red, white, and blue, and was registered as November 3514T. With 1982 came a merger with Continental Airlines. Briefly, the aircraft continued to wear its Texas International livery, but with Continental titles. Eventually, the aircraft was painted in the 1980s era black Meatball livery. In 1991, the aircraft was re-registered as November 12514 and given the blue tail with gold globe livery that Continental would have until its merger with United Airlines. Come 1998, the aircraft, now under the ownership of an aircraft leasing company, would lease the aircraft to Aeroclassics, giving the aircraft a new white and desert color stripes livery and registered as XA-TNT. The aircraft would fly passengers for Aeroclassics until 2008, when it was placed in storage at Tijuana International Airport, where it remains to this day in 2023. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you like our videos, please check out the links seen here, pointed out by my merry pachyderm friends, as well as a link to my channel. Thank you and good day.